Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you change your personal account into business account in your Facebook. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook account. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook and go to your profile. Step 2. Click to 3 dots. Now after coming here, just simply click into 3 dots, and after clicking to 3 dot, you can see this turn on professional mode option here. You just simply have to go there. Step 3. Switch your account into business mode. Now after coming into here, you just simply have to click into this turn on option down here. And after clicking there, you can see this set default post audience to public option. You can choose to keep it closed or open into yours. And after doing that, click to this continue option. And after coming here, you can see so many customization option here. You can choose to do all of these setups individually. By following these very easy steps, you can change your personal Facebook account into professional business account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.